Hey everyone, happy Mario Day. Today we're excited to show you how to deploy Super Mario on AKS with Walrus. Thanks for joining us. In this video, we'll give you a sneak peek at the new features that will be released in Walrus 0.6. To get started, simply install Walrus with just one line command and log in. Since this is your first time logging in, you will need to obtain an initial password and set a new one. From there, we are going to create two new templates. In this case, we have already configured them in advance and now import them from the repository. A template is a predefined resource framework or architecture that includes a set of related components, inputs, and outputs. At Walrus, we currently support Terraform modules as the template type, which are stored in a Git source code repository. After that, you'll want to create a new connector. Simply select Cloud Provider and choose Azure as the type. Next, navigate to Application to create a new environment. By default, there will be a local environment, but we need to create a development one. Finally, add the connector we just created and save your changes. Let's deploy some new resources in this environment and select the template we created before using the AKS one. After you finish the configuration, click on the Save and Deploy button. Look, it's succeeded. Don't forget to check the details. After that, we'll need to create a Walrus API token for another resource. It's important to make sure it's stored properly. Then go ahead and deploy another resource in the environment. You can check the deployment logs here. Once the status of the resources is ready, simply navigate to the Environment Setting tab to add another connector. Here is the keystep import YAML, which is Walrus file. You can check the document to learn about how to write it. Wait a moment. And it will be successful. Then, go to the Overview tab to read information on this dashboard. Click the URL displayed on the endpoint box. You now have your very own Super Mario.